So it's insane because I was literally making $100 to $700 a day automatically getting deposited into my bank account from PayPal. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make at least $100 a day or more on PayPal deposited directly in your bank account, man. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! This is Black Investors Group, man, and if you guys want to learn more on these tips that I'm about to go over in full detail, please make sure you guys subscribe to the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon, guys. I do go over the full detail step-by-step tutorial on how to start these businesses, guys, so check out the Patreon link in the description. PayPal, you can literally make $700 a day. One day I made $700 a day by doing this simple method that I absolutely love, and this is one of my favorite business ideas to do, guys. Easiest steps to do to make this business successful, guys, and that is drop shipping. But it is drop shipping with a twist. We're gonna call it eBay drop shipping, guys. So all you guys want to do is you want to go to eBay and you want to find good banger products, guys. You want to find good banger products that are selling. So what you want to do, guys, you want to find a hot demand product, and you want to make sure that product is available in a lot of quantity. You want to make sure they at least have, you know, over 20 or 50 in stock at the moment before you post this product on eBay. So let's just go to the gardening section, guys. Let's go to this gardening lawn set and see how much this thing is priced at Walmart. And once you do that, guys, see this thing is priced at about $300 to $400. All you have to do, guys, is get the picture, copy and paste the picture, multiple pictures of the product, and post them on eBay. Once you post your product on eBay, you just have to wait for somebody to buy your product, and as soon as they buy your product, all you want to do is go over to Walmart or whatever website that you're buying it from that has it in stock, guys, and you want to just ship it directly to your customer, because when they order it, they're gonna give you their address, everything. All you have to do is order it from Walmart and ship it directly to them. You don't ever have to touch it, guys. I discovered this business because back when I was trying to get in the drop shipping business, I was like, dang, I want to drop ship, but I don't want to have 100 of Christmas sweaters, let's say, in my closet. You know what I mean? I don't want to ship out these products every day. I don't want to print out all these labels and stuff and do all this. So what I discovered was it's a way that you can do this the easy way. All you have to do is make sure the product's available and send it straight from their website to your customer that ordered it from you. And PayPal takes a couple of days to deposit the money in your bank account, but in the meantime, I would use this software called Price Yak. And with Price Yak, you can literally buy the products off of Walmart, AliExpress, Costco, or Amazon and ship them directly to eBay and directly to the customer using Price Yak, guys. This is how we're gonna put this idea on steroids. I use my credit card because you can get multiple benefits off of credit card purchases from your credit card company, guys. You can get travel points, you can get rewards points, and you can get points off on your restaurant for food. So by shopping for other people, now by using your credit card, you're building your credit profile up and you're using your points so that now you can get a free meal or free travel or free plane tickets or even free hotel stays, guys. If you want more credit hacks, please make sure you hit the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon for secret credit hacks that you would not think of and that will boost your credit fast. Hit the link in the description and subscribe to the Patreon. Also, while we're at credit cards, I have Discover Card and Wells Fargo credit cards that you can get easily approved for 2 days. So go ahead and check that video out if you guys want to know step-by-step how to get approved for a Platinum credit card and a Discover credit card. And Discover builds your credit fast, guys, so go take a look into that. So guys, this business idea is completely easy. I hope you guys can get the gist. All you have to do is go on eBay, post your products on eBay, good pictures, guys, good description, make sure it's professional. For the description, don't make your own description. Go to Walmart or whoever you're buying your product from, get their description, copy and paste it, and take out some of their words and put your own words in, guys. Make it your own still, and now you have a legit product that's posted on eBay. People are gonna buy your product off of eBay. You order it from Walmart using your credit card, and now you send them the products directly to their house, guys, and you just drop shipped a product by not touching anything, but all you're doing is shopping for somebody else, guys. This is all you're doing. You're just shopping for somebody else online. It's the easiest way that you can make money in today's society, guys. You're going online shopping for other people. How easy is that, man? How much greater can it get than that? The idea, guys, is affiliate marketing. You can literally pull in $1,000, $100,000 a month off of this idea, guys. All you have to do is go to a website such as ClickBank or either Amazon affiliate. Easily find some products, the best products to affiliate market, run ads on those products, or either if you have a fan base, if you have a blog, post the products on your blog and promote them, and you can easily make commissions off of these products that you're just promoting, guys. This is an easy way that you can make money online and straight into your PayPal account as well, guys. Say you're selling LED lights, right? But they're not your LED lights. All you have to do is find the LED light on the affiliate website that you're using, Amazon affiliate or ClickBank, and all you have to do is copy and paste the link that is your personalized link. That link is connected to you, and that is gonna credit you at the end of the day. Now you have sales commission on that link. However many times it gets clicked, you can get paid some cents for just the clicks, depending on what product you're using, and you can make up to $150 off of just one product sell, guys, on some of these affiliate marketing links. And some of these affiliate marketing links do reoccurring purchases. So if you're selling a membership such as a gym membership or a subscription, what they call it, you know, supplement membership, where people have to order supplements every month, you can make $5 to $10 each month off of each person that you get to buy that product from your affiliate link, guys. So affiliate marketing is a great way to have money in your PayPal account as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on how to make money on PayPal, guys. I strongly advise you to go ahead and start posting on eBay today. Make sure your pictures are good and start posting on eBay today and start drop shipping with a twist to get money into your PayPal account, guys. I made up to $700 in just one day. So if I can do it, you guys can too. My name is KINGLATTA TV. If you have any questions, please hit me in the comments, guys. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and please make sure you subscribe for more. This is Black Investors Group, and we out. Blah!